Hello students, today I want you to open up Excel. To do this, you're going to go to the startup, click it, go to all programs, click that, go to Microsoft Office, click that, and click Microsoft Excel. Double click that and it will open up. Okay, last week we learned about moving all over our Excel spreadsheet using arrows and everything else. I'm making mine a little bigger so it'll be easier for you to see. On cell A3, I want you to type the word addition. A-D-D-I-T-I-O-N. Okay? On B3, I want you to type subtraction. Now you're going to notice that you're going to need to stretch out. Click off of that cell, that active cell, and you're going to need to stretch it out. So go in between B and C, and when you have the black cross, you can stretch it over. Okay? Addition, subtraction, this one will be multiplication. Click off of that open cell and you can enlarge it. And the last one will be division. Okay. All the way across on the fourth row, from A to D, you're going to put the number 6. 6, 6, 6, 6. Great. On row 5 from A to D, you're going to put the number 2. 2, 2, 2, 2. Very good. Now we're going to put in some formulas. You remember we can add, subtract, multiply, and divide on Excel. The first thing you're going to put in A6, that's our active cell, is the equal sign. Equals. And then we're going to put A4 plus A5. And then when you press enter, it will automatically add up A4 and A5. Over here, we want to subtract it. So you're going to type the equal sign, B4, now minus B5, and press enter. Good. For multiplication, we're going to have to use the asterisk, which you're going to need to press shift and the number 8. So, equals C4 times, so there's our asterisk, press shift and 8. So it's times cell C5. Now press enter. And finally, for division, you're going to put equals D4 divided by D5. And the divided by is with the question mark. You don't have to press shift. You just press that backslash. And then press enter. And you will get respectively 8, 4, 12, and 3. Now I want you to highlight the row 5 all the way across like that, and go up top and you're going to see this little box and it says border bottom, and click it so we have a line in between our addition problem, subtraction problem, multiplication, division, and the answers. Good job. Next, we're going to take a few notes. So, the first thing I want you to type is to add two numbers. You type the equals sign, then the two cells Those are the boxes that you want to add. Okay, now we're going to go down to number 9, row 9. Remember, rows are across and columns up and down. So our next thing is to subtract two numbers. You type, oh look, I made a mistake up there. I'm going to fix that. I'll give you a chance to catch up if you are behind. Type, there we go. Okay, you type, what do you think? You type, to subtract two numbers, you type the equal sign then the two cells or boxes you want to subtract. Okay, press enter. To multiply two numbers, you type the equal sign, then the two cells or boxes you want to multiply. And finally, to divide two numbers, you type the equal sign, then the two cells or boxes you want to divide. Okay, right now I want you kids to save this. So you're going to go up to File, click Save As, scroll down to where you see Computer, look for your name, change your file name to Excel Formulas. Excel Formulas. I'm putting 2 because I've already saved this once to my H drive. But you just put Excel Formulas and click Save. Good job. We're going to take a few more notes. There's something that you need to realize, and let's go to A13. Okay, we'll go down to this cell, A13. Every single formula must start with the equal sign. Equals sign. The next thing you need to realize is formulas may not have spaces. Okay? So everyone starts with the equal sign. They cannot have spaces. To multiply, you must use the asterisk sign, which is shift and the number 8. And to divide, you must use the backslash. So that's the one that has the question mark on it. Okay, the backslash sign. The cell that is currently selected is called the active cell. So that's the one that has the box around it. Okay? Now I want you to remember that next week on Tuesday you have a quiz. It's the keyboard and how to save to your H drive. I'll put some extra credit questions about Excel. So you have a quiz in your classroom next Tuesday, December 13th, on the keyboard. You're going to have to put the letters on it, and how to save to your H drive. So right now we have just saved it. All we have to do is press the blue box. So we'll save that again. Now remember to be nice to the substitute, who I think is Mr. Smith, so be nice to him, and I will see you next week.